Dane tele apo anin fiam ani he no man vanti em. Dane, what you have there?
Play-Doh. What color are they? Do you know the colors that they are?
This is red.
Wow.
And this is yellow.
Wow.
That's blue. Blue.
Blue.
Right.
Yep. Yep. I'm gonna make something.
Okay, let me see what you're making.
I'm gonna make this. And squeeze it to pancake in.
Oh, you're going to make a pancake?
There.
Papa's going to help you?
Can I make a blue one?
Yep, you can.
Okay. I'm gonna make a round ball. So I take it and I'm gonna roll it. I'm gonna roll it to make it rounder.
Oh, look at that round. I can make a pan.
Yep.
Mhm.
Okay.
What I make? A little basket.
Basket. Yeah.
Careful, it might not stick very good.
This. And squeeze it to pancake in. Yep. Okay.